Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Finelo. If you're trying to learn trading in 2025, this can feel a little bit like drinking from a fire hose. You're hit with complex charts, conflicting advice, and the constant fear of making a costly mistake. But what if you could have a personal coach in your pocket, one that uses AI to simplify the markets and teach you at your own pace? That is exactly the promise of Finelo, a new breed of investing app focused on education first. In this tutorial and review, we're going to explore exactly how Finelo works, walk through its core features, and determine if it can truly help you become a smarter or more confident trader. First of all, guys, let's be crystal clear about what Finelo is. It is an educational platform designed to teach you the principle of trading and investing. It combines bite-sized lessons with AI-powered tools and a simulator. You do not deposit your actual investment capital into Finelo, okay? Keep this in mind, guys. Or execute real trades through it. Think of it as a gym for your trading skills, where you can learn, practice, and build confidence before you go into the real market with your own money through a separate brokerage account. Okay, but this is not actually real money. This distinction is the most important thing to understand, so you do not think that you are being scammed by this app or something like that. Now, also, I want to mention that you have different ways of, actually accessing Finelo. You have the Android app, the Apple app, and the actual, desktop version, which is the web version. The three of them are exactly the same. Is if you can access, for example, the desktop version, you're gonna notice that it looks like a mobile app. So this is exactly the same interface as the mobile version. But the only difference, which is a big difference, is that if you want to have a free trial, you have to download the mobile app first. Okay, so let's say that you have an Android phone, for example. You're gonna download your app to your Android phone in here. You're gonna create that account, and it's going to ask you for a simple quiz to try to determine your knowledge in trading. You're going to complete that quiz, and then you're going to start a 3-day free trial, but you can only do this from the mobile phone version, Apple or Play Store. It doesn't matter, but you cannot do this from the actual desktop version. Okay, important. Now, once you try and once you create an account in your mobile phone, you can then access by clicking login in the desktop version, and you can just enter your credentials, the one that you created before using your mobile phone, and you're gonna have access to the fully version in your desktop as well for 3 days, and then you're gonna have to pay. So that's very important, guys. Now, once you are inside of Finelo, you're going to be welcome with this dashboard in here, and you have different tabs. You have your Learn, your Tools, your Simulator, your Leaderboard, and your Profile, guys. Let's say that you are completely new to trading. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a quick onboarding quiz to assess your current knowledge. Okay, that's going to be done prior to creating the account. And then what you can do is you can start taking interactive lessons. In here, you have all of the trading courses. If we click on see all courses, you have your main paths, investor paths, trading challenge, crypto paths, so on, so on, so on. And you can begin any of them. I actually recommend that you go in order, okay, in a certain order, because that's going to be from easier to hardest. You can also view the full course if you click in here, and you can see the different mini courses inside of them. So make sure that you complete, each lesson and that you take that knowledge, okay? Because this is going to be very important, and that's going to give you the foundational steps that you are then going to be able to apply into your actual trading sessions. You can review each session after it has been completed, as many times as you want, and you can read them or you can listen to them, okay? Now, what are you going to do after you have learned, the valuable lessons? Is you're going to go to the simulator in here, and you can basically start trading with this fictional money. This here is going to show you how much money you have. Keep in mind, guys, this is a demo account. Okay, this is not real. Okay, so you can just play around with this money and there is no risk involved. Okay, so keep that in mind. This total balance in here is going to be the sum of different assets. In here, I for example have my cash, my fictional cash, and I also have some assets from Google, from Apple, and from Nvidia, which are the companies that I completed in the quiz when they were asking me about my preferences. If I click on buy assets, I can then, start browsing for different stocks and crypto. Okay, as you can see here, I have Bitcoin here. And if I click on it, I can basically, see the graph, okay? You can see the current price in here. This gets updated every second or every couple of seconds. And here you can see basically, the growth and so on and so on. You can change the time frame from 1 day to 1 week to 1 month to 3 months and so on and so on, guys. After you have decided that you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can just click in buy here. And that's going to take you to this available coins section, which is going to give you how much money you have right now, not taking into account, of course, your current assets or stocks. Okay, this is your actual money, your fictional money. You can choose to buy a certain amount of Bitcoins, but I don't recommend this because it's very expensive. Just click on this button here that says enter sum, and now it's going to change to dollars. So you can choose how many dollars you want to spend. In my case, let's say that I want to, I don't know, buy $100, $150 of Bitcoin, worth of Bitcoin, okay? So let's click on buy here. And if you go to your simulator again, you're gonna have your assets, your newly bought assets. Amazing. Now, two of the most important features about Finelo are actually the AI chart analyzers and the smart pattern finders, okay? Let's say, for example, that you are watching a financials news channels or browse online and you see a chart that you don't understand. You can literally point your camera at it, using your mobile phone, of course, and if the AI will analyze in real time. It automatically detects classic chart patterns, draws trend lines, and identifies key price levels for you. This is an incredible learning tool because it bridges the gap between theory and the real world. You can also upload screenshots of charts you find, of course, from your desktop or from your PC. In here, if we just click on this button, this is what we're going to access. And you can just click on here to upload any file you want or take in a photo, okay? And you can do the same, guys, with the smart pattern finder, okay? This is going to be the same for any chart that you actually want to do or for, today's forecasts. You can also ask your AI mentor. You have up to 3, questions, and you can ask him anything about any financial topic that you actually want, okay? And he's going to try to give you the best advice on it. Finally, guys, we have our leaderboard, which is going to show you the users that are using this Finelo app and how much money have they been making so far, okay? Which is amazing. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, okay? The pros is that this is excellent for absolute beginners. The app excels at taking someone with zero knowledge and building their confidence. You have also your innovative AI charts analysis. You have risk-free trading simulator, which is the best tool in my opinion. And also you have engaging and gamified learning, similar to Duolingo or a similar app, okay? Now let's talk about the cons. The subscription cost is kind of elevated, especially for an educational app because this doesn't let you do any real trading. So yeah, the cost is very prohibitive in my opinion. Also, the content can be too basic for intermediate traders and potentially it over relies too much on AI and you're sometimes looking for something more manual, okay? Also, some users review have reported issues with subscription renewals and refund policies, so it's important to be mindful when subscribing. So if you're an absolute beginner, I would recommend this, but if not, I could probably skip it. Thank you so much, guys.